Beneath the ethereal glow of the full moon, Leora and Sylvie, with their powers intertwined, embark on their nightly vigil in the Evernight Woods. In a scene of serene beauty, Leora's luminescence and Sylvie's shadow intertwine, weaving a tapestry of balance and magic. The air crackles with unseen energy as their combined powers maintain the ancient equilibrium of the Evernight Woods.
As the moon's light falters and dies, the Evernight Woods are plunged into an abyss of darkness.
A chilling wind whispers through the trees, carrying an eerie secret as the forest is embraced by an all-consuming darkness. High above, a fox-like spirit emerges from the shadows, cradling a stolen moon between its paws.
With a voice that echoes through the darkened woods, the fox-like spirit declares, "The moon is mine now. Play my game if you want it back."
In a dizzying maze of mirrors and shadows, Leora and Sylvie are ensnared by a mischievous spirit. Leora light falters, struggling to cut through the infinite reflections, while Sylvie's shadows twist and contort in unpredictable ways.
Amid the disorienting reflections, Sylvie cries out, "The moon's not missing, it's trapped in our reflections." The spirit's taunting laughter bounces off the mirrored walls, mocking their every misstep. In the heart of the maze, Sylvie confronts a harrowing choice. Only one can shatter the illusion, but at a grave cost. Leora softly questions, "Why do we have to choose?" Defying fate, Leora seizes Sylvie's hand, and together, they begin to intertwine their magic. In a daring act of unity, they attempt to merge shadow and light, hoping to defy the illusion's cruel ultimatum. As the illusion crumbles, the combined light and shadow shatter what remains, and the sisters gasp for breath. The spirit warns, "You may have won this time, but beware. The moon's fate is not your only test." The narrator reveals, the sisters realize the spirit left something behind. In the eerie stillness of Evernight Woods, Sylvie senses a chilling anomaly. Her shadow remains eerily static. Leora's lantern casts unsettling symbols upon the ancient trees, revealing a cryptic message hidden in plain sight. Leora voices her chilling discovery. "These aren't random, they're a message," her words echoing in the silent woods. Sylvie's grim realization dawns, then our journey isn't over. The trickster's game was just the beginning, as unseen eyes watch from the darkness.